Restoring your faith in humanity, a deep dive. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of the English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're delving into a very special phrase that resonates deeply with many of us: restore your faith. This phrase is not just about belief. It's about hope, positivity, and the human spirit. So, let's unravel its meaning together and discover how it can be a powerful expression in both our language and our lives. The phrase, restore your faith, is often used in a context where someone's belief or confidence in something has been weakened or lost. This could be due to negative experiences, disappointments, or witnessing unfortunate events. When we talk about restoring your faith, we're referring to the process or event that revives that lost belief or confidence. Interestingly, this phrase is frequently followed by the word in, and then a concept or entity. For example, restore your faith in humanity suggests that something has happened to make you believe once again in the goodness of people, despite previous doubts or negative experiences. To fully grasp the meaning, let's look at some examples. 1. After seeing the entire community come together to help a family in need, it really restored my faith in humanity. Here, the act of community support and kindness has rejuvenated the speaker's belief in the goodness of people. 2. Watching the young volunteer tirelessly help the elderly during the crisis restored my faith in the younger generation. This example shows how witnessing acts of compassion and responsibility can renew one's belief in the potential and values of the younger generation. 3. The successful rescue of the trapped miners restored many people's faith in the effectiveness of emergency services. In this case, a successful rescue operation has renewed public confidence in the capabilities and efficiency of emergency responders. Understanding and using the phrase, restore your faith, is about more than just language learning. It's about recognizing and appreciating the moments or actions that bring light into our lives, especially during times of darkness or cynicism. For English language learners, mastering such expressions can significantly enhance your ability to communicate complex emotions and experiences, making your conversations richer and more nuanced. We hope this exploration of the phrase, restore your faith, has not only expanded your English vocabulary but also inspired you to look for those moments and actions that reaffirm the goodness around us. Language is a beautiful tool for expressing the deepest parts of the human experience, and phrases like these help us connect more profoundly with others. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to sharing more insights and discoveries with you in our future videos. Keep believing in the power of good.